back to Top Luxury Motorhomes. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest ideas in the luxury auto world, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome Concept. Imagine the prestige of Bentley's timeless craftsmanship, stretched into a rolling palace that feels more like a private estate on wheels. This isn't your average RV. It's a glimpse into what happens when Bentley brings its unmatched DNA of elegance, power, and detail to the world of motorhomes. At first glance, the size alone is jaw-dropping. We're talking about a 40-foot masterpiece that carries Bentley's signature design language. At the front, you'll spot the Matrix grille, bold, upright, and instantly recognizable. The sleek bodywork is finished in a two-tone livery, deep emerald green paired with glacier silver, while chrome accents flow like jewelry along its curves. Massive diamond-cut 24-inch alloys give the vehicle presence, while the full-length LED lighting makes it look futuristic both day and night. Step closer, and you'll notice the powered staircase that unfolds almost like a red carpet, welcoming you inside. Inside, Bentley takes the idea of luxury travel to a whole new level. Automatic sliding doors reveal a lounge inspired by a private jet cabin. Hand-stitched leather seats, real wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting make the space feel warm yet ultra-modern. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the cabin with natural light, giving sweeping panoramic views of the world outside. Move further in, and you'll find a fully equipped chef's kitchen, complete with smart appliances and stone countertops. The bedrooms? Pure five-star indulgence. King-size memory foam beds, cashmere linens, and bespoke storage cabinets crafted with Bentley detailing. The entertainment zone features massive OLED displays, surround sound, and even a private cinema setting for movie nights on the road. And the spa-like bathroom with marble finishes, a rainfall shower, and heated flooring makes every journey feel like a luxury retreat. Now, Bentley hasn't just focused on beauty. Underneath lies serious engineering. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome Concept is powered by a twin-turbo VE8 hybrid system, paired with next-gen electric motors. The result? Over 1,000 horsepower that makes this giant move with surprising ease. Adaptive air suspension smooths out every bump, while four-wheel steering gives drivers confidence even on tighter roads. It's whisper quiet thanks to Bentley's world-class noise insulation, making cross-country trips feel effortless. Bentley has packed this concept with state-of-the-art tech. Think autonomous driving for highway stretches, AI-powered navigation, smart climate control, and privacy glass that tints at the touch of a button. Safety isn't compromised either, with advanced driver assist systems, radar, and 360-degree cameras keeping passengers secure. Now, let's talk about exclusivity. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. If Bentley ever brought this motorhome to life, estimates suggest a starting price of around $4 million. And with customizations, that number could climb much higher. This isn't designed for the average traveler. It's for ultra-high net worth buyers who want nothing less than a luxury estate on wheels. In the end, the 2026 Bentley Motorhome Concept isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing the journey in pure Bentley style, with unmatched elegance, performance, and comfort. Thanks for watching Top Luxury Motorhomes. If you enjoyed this exclusive look, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tours of the world's most jaw-dropping luxury RVs. Hit the bell icon so you never miss the next dream ride.